Once you clicked on next, you need to fill in the self-assessment PDF, then you need to upload here. So this self-assessment PDF would be, you can click on this and open in new tab. So once you click on open in new tab, this is the self-assessment PDF that you need to fill. Here, these are the surname, first name, application and other things that you need to fill. Then the course survey would be, what is the course name, how much credits you have done, then in this which semester you have done. So here, what are the things they are asking? Course related to embedded system, intelligent systems and nanotechnology. So this will be digital technology, hardware development, IoT, semiconductor technology. So please go through your module handbook. So people who have also done in video, please download the complete module handbook and check for the course names that you have done in this desired field. Say example, in digital technology, you can fill in the digital systems design, which will be studied in 3rd semester generally, and the credits would be 6 credit points. You can also get the credit points there. Then if you have done a lab also, then please mention digital system labs, then give in the credits. Okay, these are the things. Then hardware development, you can also give in the analog circuit design that you have done. Then there are so many hardware designs that we have done in IoT. So we have also done one IoT, which will be microcontroller 1 and 2, I guess, or 1 maybe. So these are the subjects that come under these particular sample topics. So if you want a dedicated video how to fill in this, then please mention in the comment. Then in the 3rd part, maybe I will put some effort and fill in everything. But it is straightforward, mathematical and physics. So please give in the semester 1, 2, 3, 4 and give in the course name maths 1, 2, 3, 4. Then credits will be 4. For in order to prove what you have given and you have studied all this, then you need to attach your module handbook. This is what I just wanted to mention. So you just fill in these details and upload it here. Now I have filled in all details and attached the self-assessment PDF, which is a dummy document. Then you can click on next. Then once you clicked on next, then you need to give in the recommendation letter. 2 recommendation letter they are asking. Then the recommendation scholar email or the name you have to put in. So then it will be recommendation letter. So please, I suggest to put in the email. Okay. Now if you can see, I have given the recommendation letter PDF LR1 and LR2, and also I have given the email address from whom I have asked for. So usually it can be from your work related manager and also from HODs which you have finished your degree. So please make sure you fill in and get the 2 LORs and fill in here their email address and also LOR that you have got. Okay, then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, then you need to fill in the publishing, work industries, internship, international experience. Maybe here you can also fill in your internships. Okay, so you just have to give the experience, what kind of experience if you have. If you have work, then please mention which work, say example you have done, from when to when you have done, what is the details, and company or institute where you have done. So here usually I will suggest, if you have not done any of the work experience, then please fill in the internships. If you have got any of the full-time opportunity or work you have done already, then please fill in the details. And it is already straightforward what kind of experience you have. So this would be your title of the job, then period from when to when you have done, then the details, then company address. So details you can fill in what are these things that you have filled in or worked on it. Okay, then the public articles would be general journals and titles. So I have done like 4 or 5 publications that are in my past. So there you will have to mention which journal you have published and what is the title of publication that you have done. And you can just see all these information are mandatory or not mandatory. Sorry, all this information are not mandatory because this is not a mandatory requirement in order to get into a degree. Okay, so this is just a icing on a cake. If you have these things, then you will get a little bit more attention from the selection community. Then your application will be a little bit higher. That's it. So if you don't have anything, then you can click on next and not filling anything. Then you need to fill in the language skills, which will be English. So we have done IELTS academic, the results would be 7. So then the certificate you have to fill in is IELTS certificate. I just filled in the result as 7, but the requirement says you need to have just 6.5, but all the partitions that you have should be at least 6, not under 6. So reading, writing, speaking and listening has to be more than 6 or 6, not under 6. So if you are getting under 6, still if you have 6.5, then you will get a rejection because of IELTS. It's not met. Okay, then you need to have a IELTS of 6.5, then not all modules less than 6. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, then you need to fill in the degree details, transcript, curriculum vitae, passport and additional documents. In additional documents, you have to, if you have your APS document, please fill in, give in the APS document, work experience related documents, internships, publication, everything you have to give in additional documents. First, we will take some time and fill in all the documents. Now, I took some time and filled in all necessary documents that you need to fill in. So first thing would be degree certificate, your bachelor degree certificate. So we have mentioned here. Then you can also see it's not a document contains no signature, so that is fine. You don't need to have a attested copy. So either you can fill in the or give the original photocopy, then it is fine. If you are giving in the Xerox copy, then you need to have a attested Xerox copy you need to upload. Okay, these are the two things. Then transcript of record of your bachelor's, then curriculum vitae, passport. Okay, then additional documents would be APS, work experience, internship, publication papers, and SOP. After that, you need to also give in the 10th PUC or whichever you call it, the university entrance qualification degree certificate or the mass card. Okay, these are the documents that I suggest you guys to fill in every time. APS if you have, otherwise then please make sure that you have applied for it, then you will get that confirmation letter. You can also give the confirmation letter so that they will be noted that yes, he has applied for APS, then he is waiting for the result. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, I think all other things are done. So here they have asked for the separate section in order to fill in the APS. So here also you can give the APS document, and here they have says application of PR, everybody has to have a APS, that is for sure. We should be filled which should be filled together with the application documents or at the time of enrollment at least. Okay, so it is not mandatory that you need to upload the APS document at the time of application that you're giving. After getting admission also, before you get your visa, anyway you need to have before visa, so that is what they are asking. So it is okay, you need to have a APS pass and APS certificate, but here once you are applying, if you don't have, what you have to fill in, so please fill in the document or give the document which you have registered for APS or applied for APS, then the confirmation letter that you have got which says you are applied for APS, please give in that. If you have already APS certificate, then no brainer, please give your APS document here. Then after this you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, these are the application details and you have filled everything. So in preparation and all other information you can check. So we have filled in our degree details. First we filled in our entrance qualification, then we filled in yes, we have read the all terms and condition and we said yes. Then prepared personal information, we said yes, home country is India and the country where I am currently resident is also India. Then where we have done our bachelor is India. Then which university you have done your bachelor degree, Bachelor of Engineering in VTU, and whichever college you have done. Then you need to give the university postal address, degree details, what you have done, when you have finished, then what is the grade in your bachelor degree. Then you need to fill in the self-assessment PDF. As I told you, if you need a dedicated video, please let me know, I will make a new video. Then you need to give a recommendation letter and the LORs there itself. Then IELTS details, then you need to have a documents, and here in the documents we missed in one PDF, but you have already uploaded here IELTS. So people who have done GRE, that is what I wanted to mention, you can also give in GRE in additional document, people who have, otherwise don't need to fill it, it's fine. Then we have given the APS documents also. Then you can click on I humbly confirm all data entered is correct, then you submit the application. Once you clicked on submit, your application will be submit, and here you can just see you can submit your application until March 1st. This is what I just wanted to mention in this particular video and show you how to apply for this particular course, which is EMINENT. So if you like this video, then please make sure you leave comment, like, share, and also make use of these videos. Then please share this with people who are in need so that they can also look into these videos and study in their dream college of masters. So see you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.